A light magnitude 3.0 earthquake hit 30 kilometers, 19 miles, away from Yoro, Departamento de Yoro, Honduras, late in the evening of Friday, May 9, 2025 at 11:58 p.m. local time, GMT-6. The quake had a very shallow depth of 4 kilometers, 2.5 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, INETER after 9 minutes. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.